Tja, Freunde, was tut man nicht alles, um das Spiel doch noch einigermaßen vernünftig abschließen zu können, nicht wahr? So, erstmal von LTS zurück, sehr schön. Nichts Neues, schade. So, wir haben zu tun und zwar müssen wir Kamuana helfen, genau, und Haria, googeln wir mal hin. Offenbar nicht so ohne weiteres möglich. Die Frage stellt sich, warum? Das ist noch eine Klasse Verwaltungszone, genau. Das ist nicht das Problem, ich muss ja hier hin. Aber irgendwie das Spiel sagt mir, nee, geht nicht, ich soll hier bleiben. Ja. Hallo, es bin ich ja. Die Frage ist... Weil die von LTS ist doch eigentlich nicht hier. Also ich meine, die ist doch eigentlich ein Rexenhafen, oder wie der Ort heißt. Und auch ist noch hier. Natürlich reisen mit uns, gut, man kann es auch so sehen. Gut, warum ist das so wichtig? Dass man nicht importen kann, ne? Vielleicht auf hoher See eine Zwischensequenz? Nee. Hä? Okay. Ah, genau, übrigens, das hier hat mit Velvet's Quest zu tun. Man sieht und staune. Ich überlege gerade, ich muss ja, wenn ich Velvet's Quest starten will... ich mach's jetzt schon, Freunde.
Well, hello there. I heard you woke the four Empyreans. I'm quite impressed.
What do you want, Morgrim?
I just came to pass on a little information to you. Specifically, that an Earth Pulse entrance has opened up. My guess is that it opened when you chased Innominat out.
An Earth Pulse entrance, huh?
We might be able to see more of the Earth in Historia.
Indeed. If we could learn more about Artorias' past, it might give us a hint about how to take on Innominat.
That's just what she wants us to think. Anyone else smell a trap?
I don't think we have to worry about that.
Are you sure?
Shigure loathed any form of trickery. If Morgrim was that kind of Malak, he would have struck her down long ago.
I appreciate your confidence in me. What you do with the information is up to you.
Where is this entrance?
It's at the Shrine of Tranquility, in a ball.
You must have learned about this from the Abbey. Why pass it on to me?
No special reason. I just happened to think of Lord Artorias' Malek. I thought it might be nice if I could help you learn a little more about her.
You mean Ceres?
All right. I'll check it out.
So, damit wäre auch das gestartet. Sehr gut. Problem ist, wenn ich normalerweise teleportiere ich mich immer hin und her und der Eingang hierfür ist ein bisschen weiter hinten. Das heißt, bis ich halt hier bei ihr gewesen wäre, hätte es ein bisschen länger gedauert und ich dachte mir so, komm, wenn ich sowieso hier hin muss, dann kann ich das gleiche machen. Das war eigentlich auch schon der einzige Grund, wieso ich jetzt mir gesagt habe, okay, komm, starten kann ich das ja jetzt schon. Du. Mal gucken, wie geht's hier überhaupt schon raus? Wobei die Musik hier erinnert mich ein bisschen an eine Musik aus Super Mario Sunshine, genau.
Hey, if you were thinking of going this way, you should reconsider.
And why's that?
A real nasty demon's taken root up in Haria village. It's a huge troll with a big old club. And this isn't the first village the Brood has taken out.
Did you say a troll? You didn't happen to hear if the troll was wearing a large jewel, did you?
Yeah. I hear the greedy beast's been going around stealing all sorts of treasure.
It's that demon.
Das heißt, es ist der Dämon, der damals die Dorf verwüstet hat. Würde zumindest einen Sinn ergeben, wieso Eleanor so geschockt reagiert. Das heißt, Eleanor will logischerweise Rache. Dementsprechend würde vielleicht auch eher sie... Ah, nee, komm. Soll schon im Kampf drin sein. Passt auch so ganz gut.
Eleanor, you've gone pale. What's wrong?
I'm fine. It's nothing.
If you say so.
Hey, Laphicet's your partner. You realize that he can probably sense your worries? I don't care if you keep secrets from the rest of us, but you should at least be straight with him.
You're right, Rokuro. I should. I'm sorry, Laphicet.
That's okay. I don't know how much help I could be anyway.
Well, having someone listen would be help plenty. I think the demon that Bloodwing mentioned could be one that attacked my village.
Is that when you got your scar?
It was when a group of giant trolls descended on our home. They were after a jewel housed in our shrine. A jewel called Eleanor.
Same name as you.
It means light. The jewel shone brilliantly, even when in total darkness. It gave its blessings upon our village, and in turn, we safeguarded it for generations. During the attack, my mother and I fled with the jewel to keep it from falling into the demon's hands. But we didn't get far. I got hurt, and my mother... She used the jewel to draw their attention away from me. She died, protecting me.
I see. So if the demon possesses this Eleanor jewel, you'll know it attacked your village.
And that it's responsible for your mother's death.
Exactly.
If you want vengeance, I've got your back. It sounds like this one will put up a fight. But you know Velvet. She doesn't like us calling the shots.
Knock yourselves out. If there's one thing I can connect with, it's wanting revenge. Just so we're clear, this thing isn't the reason I joined the Exorcists. This thing? You talk of avenging your family, and it's just this thing? My mother said, stay strong and keep living. As she lay dying, she begged me to survive. And I want to be that person. I want to be strong. Right now, my first priority is to find Kamoana's medicine. That's all I'm saying. Hey, whatever. It's none of my business. But I better not hear you complaining if I end up devouring that demon first. Got it? I have to be strong. I have to be strong. For Kamoana and my mother.
Did that weird feeling just come back?
Yeah.
Bosheiten, Eleanor. Das höre ich nicht gerne, Freunde. Ja. Porten geht ihm noch nichts. Was heißt genau, werde ich vorher noch irgendwie angegriffen? Ich glaube es zwar eher weniger, aber ja, was weiß man schon, war. Surfen like a boss. Wenn ich krepieren, ich glaube eher weniger als eigentlich speichern. Doch, speichern. Speichern ist gut. Speichern ist geil. Speichern ist, naja. Lieber ein Backup, mehr haben als eins zu wenig, wa? So, genug davon.
I'm not seeing any of those demons we heard about.
Let's look for the medicine while we can. Hey, this is what we're looking for. I think so. Hey, there's a note attached to it too. A note? Is it instructions on how to prepare the medicine? No, it's more like directions on how to administer it. This medicine is extremely bitter. Kamoana hates taking it. If she develops a fever while I'm away, you need to do specific things to get her to take it. There are 3 ways.
Look, it's wearing a jewel.
That's it. That's Eleanor.
Then this must be what killed Eleanor's... Oh! Eleanor!
Go give her some help!
Roches Blutwurst, der Cheftroll. Alter, also der ist so stark. Schwäche Wasser gegen folgende Vollen. Was soll er sonst tun, ne?
I don't think she can hear you right now.
All we can do now is help her fight.
Sag mal. Ich wollte gerade sagen, wieso setzt mit mystischer Art ein? Das wird wehtun! Aua! Au, 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 au. Und gleich nochmal. So, wir sind schwächer, aber es wird trotzdem wehtun. Oder auch nicht. Bisschen doof, wenn ich mich kaum bewegen kann. Er liegt, er liegt, er liegt. Jetzt nicht mehr, aber egal.
I did it. I finally did it, Mom.
Eleanor?
I don't know how to feel. I wanted this so badly. Vengeance. Closure.
It makes sense. This is what's been driving you.
I suppose you're right. But if this is truly a part of me, I can't help but empathize with Kamoana. If she ever found out the truth of what I did to her mother, I know exactly how she'd feel. She'd want to kill me.
I don't know about...
It's only natural. You said so yourself. I can't stand it. It's eating me up inside. I keep telling myself I did it for her own sake, but I've just been lying. I'm horrible. If Kamoana ever attacked me, maybe I'd end up killing her too, just to save my own worthless skin.
That's not who you are.
It is exactly who I am! And besides... Kamoana's only alive because she ate her own mother! I have a hard time believing that any salvation awaits someone like her.
Ah, of course. I get it now.
You've been carrying this pain for a long time.
My mother told me to stay strong and keep living. I'm only here right now because she sacrificed her life. And yet, I'm selfish, pathetic. I'm so sorry, Kamoana. Mother!
This is bad. She's exuding malevolence.
No! Don't try to carry the burden all by yourself! Ah! If we don't do something, Laphicet's going to lose his vessel.
It's fine. Let her spill it all out.
Imbecile! Without a vessel, he'll turn into a dragon! All hell will break loose!
Method 1. Wrap the medicine in sweet starch paper. This only works about half the time. Usually she just eats the paper and spits the medicine back at you. Method 2. Mix it in with her meals without telling her. It tends to make the food bitter. I think she's catching on. It's gotten harder to trick her and she may refuse to eat. Method 3. Pinch her nose and force her to swallow it. But be very careful. She will struggle and try to bite. You don't want to lose a finger.
Is this really the time?
Is that note you found?
Yes. It's the one Mahina left with her daughter's medicine. Her duties must have often taken her away. Someone else had to watch Kamoana.
Her fevers are caused by mental distress, but for some reason she believes that these bitter berries are medicine. If she takes one, her mind will stop racing and she will calm down. I realize that this is an awful lot to ask, but please, I love her very much. Please make sure that she takes her medicine, no matter what you have to do. She can be awfully stubborn, but deep down, she's just a kind-hearted girl who's very, very lonely. Please, please do what you can for her. I can't thank you enough for your help.
I didn't realize that her mother was so...
Yeah, it looks like her mom had a bit of a forceful streak with her, doesn't it?
Nobody's a saint in this world, not even our own mothers. If they need to, they'll lie and use force. You do absolutely whatever it takes to protect your child.
The resolve to protect your child.
Well, Eleanor, have you calmed down now?
Yes. I apologize for my behavior.
So, what are you going to do, now that you've been asked by both Medissa and Kamoana's mom?
I guess... No. I'll make sure she takes the medicine. I swear, she will get better.
Do whatever you feel you need to.
All right, get a move on, guys. Let's hurry back to Kamoana.
So ist es. Trotzdem eine nette kleine Quest, zwar ohne Erfahrungspunkte. Warum? Das war irgendwie ein Bossmonster.
Fee, are you holding up okay under the malevolence?
I'm fine. It's Eleanor I'm worried about.
She'll manage.
That woman takes no half measures. Not with life, not with malevolence, and not with fighting to overcome it. She will get through this. That's just who she is.
Yeah, you're right.
Natürlich, er ist doch immer rechts. Nee, was soll er jetzt machen? Dragonische Härte ist eigentlich
Yeah,
cool.
my time to shine.
Oh, can't a witch get a little downtime?
Nee. Witch im Downtime, warum?
Eleanor Hume, reporting for duty.
Sehr gut. Ja. Hab für den nächsten Kampf und so. Weiter bereits. Super.
Bad news, guys.
What? Are you molting?
This is serious. Kamoana's gone delirious from her fever. She turned into a Therian and went crazy.
Where's Medissa?
She used herself as bait to lure Kamoana away and keep anyone here from getting hurt. They looked like they were headed for Mount Killerhouse, but I'm not sure how long Medissa will be able to hold out.
We need to go after them!
Are you all right with me taking the lead?
Yes. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Bin schon dabei, würde vorher trotzdem noch gerne einmal übernachten, das wird wohl drin liegen, oder? Wie sieht's aus? Ja, natürlich. Zeit muss sein, so ein bisschen durchschlafen und so. Ob Komuana verreckt, ist doch scheißegal der Zeit. Ja, erstmal schön ausschlafen. Sehr realistisch. Ich sehe schon, wegen ganz Klamotten holen und so, das dauert bei denen ziemlich lange, merke ich gerade. Das wird schneller gehen. Ups. Also doch, scheiße. Naja. Eins nach dem anderen, nicht wahr? Ich würde sogar sagen, dann nach dieser Quest würde ich doch gerne mit Rokuro weitermachen. Ich glaube einfach, irgendwie passt das auf eine Reihenfolge her besser. So, stark genug natürlich. Immer noch nichts, okay. Ich hoffe, es kommt nicht zum Kampf, das wäre mir ziemlich scheiße. Wir sind bald da für die Rallala.
Kamawana, honey. You're hungry, right? It's okay. You can eat me if you need to. If it means you'll go back to your sweet, normal self.
Stop!
Kamawana, I've got your mom's medicine right here.
You're lying!
It's true. Your mom heard you had a fever, so she sent us this medicine to give to you.
No! I hate it! It tastes so bitter!
It's okay. It's not bitter. Your mom figured out a way to make it sweet, just for you.
I don't believe you! You're lying! Lying!
It's true. Here, see?
It's still bitter. You lied to me.
I know. I'm really sorry, Kamawana, but I had to.
Kamawana's fever has finally broken. She seems to be sleeping soundly.
Well, that's one crisis averted.
Eleanor, I couldn't have done this without you. Thank you.
I was just following your example.
You're really prepared to pull out all the stops for her, aren't you?
I am. I don't know how this will all end up, but it just feels like the right way. I may be weak, but as long as I can stay true to myself and live life as fully as I can, I figure my mom will maybe understand.
You already seem pretty strong to me, Eleanor.
Seriously? What could ever make you think that?
It's the parts you don't think about that are the strongest.
That doesn't even make sense.
A mother's not ever going to be that hard on her child, no matter how they turn out. Mothers just want their children to be well, and to live a happy life. I'm sure that's what yours meant for you.
You think?
Sounds right to me.
If you ever become a mom yourself, you'll understand.
I can't say I plan on it right now, but duly noted.
Eleanor! What's wrong? Why is your face all red?
Is it? It's just, you see...
We're just having a little girl talk amongst ourselves. You're free to join if you like, though.
What? No thanks. Sorry to interrupt.
Maybe I shouldn't have teased him so much there.
I may not be a mother, but I think I do understand. When I'm around Laphicet and Kamoana, strong or weak, level-headed or a little lost, it doesn't matter. All kids deserve to have a good life.
So ist es, Freunde. Und damit haben wir endlich ein Trophäe erhalten. Okay, das nicht unbedingt. Ich kann gar keine Screenshots aufnehmen. In Rot. Ja, Weinrot, ha?
Kamoana, has your fever finally gone down?
It has, and it's all thanks to you.
But now there's something extremely important that she must ask of you. Would you hear her out?
You sound really serious. What is it?
I want you to open my treasure chest with me.
A treasure chest? What's inside?
Well...
Treasure, of course. So it's a secret.
But it's a really, really, really important treasure.
How important are we talking here? Would you risk your own life for it?
I totally would. It's at least that important. Maybe more.
Well, if it's that important, then I guess we'll have to help you.
Yay! Thank you.
Where's the treasure chest then?
On some ice. Floating out in the sea.
Next time, you should probably leave it somewhere a little safer, Kamoana.
Oh, and you can't open it without the key.
This is getting more complicated by the second.
Well, if you leave a treasure chest unlocked, you're just asking for trouble.
Okay. You've got me there.
Do you remember where the key is? It's in Dial's pocket. I slipped it in while he was sleeping.
Yeah, I don't like where this is going.
What else was I supposed to do? It's a secret key.
Yeah, I know.
All right, let's go hunt down Dial. Good luck.
Okay. Interessant. Das hätte ich so nicht erwartet. Die Quest mit Elinor ist eigentlich vorbei, aber jetzt Kamoanas. Sollen wir jetzt noch weitermachen? Warum eigentlich nicht, wa? Da oben ist er. Wir schauen noch ganz kurz, wa? Wir haben noch einen Rest Parts gezeigt. Wie das zwar nicht mehr, aber ja, mal schauen. Wird schon gut gehen. Hallo?
Why the hell did I have to be an old lizard? Why couldn't I be a salamander? Then at least I could breathe fire to warm myself up.
Don't move, Dial. We're going to search you now.
What? Why? I haven't done anything wrong. Today.
No key.
Figures. He must have dropped it somewhere.
What are you all talking about?
Kamoana says she hid the key to her treasure chest in your pocket.
Seriously? Why me?
I just figured that if anybody tried to steal it, you'd, like, bite them and stuff to protect it.
I'm sorry I didn't live up to your expectations.
Any idea where you might have dropped it?
That's hard to say. Wait, it might have been when I was drying my shirt back in the inn. I think I heard a clink of some sort there.
Wait, when it was drying? Don't you know to check your pockets before you do the wash?
Come on, I'm a bachelor. You're expecting way too much from me.
Well, I guess we should check the inn next.
Ja, aber da waren wir doch gerade. Ach, Menschenskind, hey. Ja, gut, dann machen sie die Folge nach. In diesem Part dann würde ich sagen, Rokurus zuerst noch, Rokurus Quests. Und dann zum Abschluss noch Velvets. Also in der gleichen Folge mal gucken, wie lange Rokurus dauert. Es sind ja vor allem 2 Kämpfe, die ja doch auch ein bisschen dauern.
There it is. This must be the key.
Yay! You found it! I knew you could do it, Eleanor. You said the chest was floating on an iceberg, right? I'd say that's our next stop.
You hold on to the key, Kamoana. Just make sure you don't drop it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ja, jetzt ist das Schiff zurück. Perfekter Zeitpunkt eigentlich.
Scout.
Okay. Etwas hält mir davon ab. Da hinten ist irgendetwas. Ernsthaft?
It opened! It opened! Good job, Kamawana!
Alright, so what's inside?
Don't you remember? It's supposed to be a secret.
It's one of my mom's recipes. She wrote it down for me so that I could fix it myself when I got older.
That sounds like something really precious. Are you sure you want to share it with us?
Uh-huh. It's supposed to be a secret between me and my mom. But you all saved me when I needed you. And I really want to thank you, so it's okay. Thanks, everyone.
You're welcome, Kamawana.
It's a recipe for Mabo curry that my mom came up with just for me. It's the best in the whole wide world! It looks delicious! You better have some too, Velvet. You go out there and win! Medissa and me will be cheering you on!
Yeah, I won't back down. I promise.
Mabo Currybrötchen, bin mal gespannt. Weil wir sowieso schon kochen. Aktive Effekt, ich weiß. Nach dem Gericht, nach dem Essen, ja. Legendärer Tofu, legendärer Dubanyang. Okay. Klingt cool. Ich dachte irgendwie, die Insel wäre, ja, Eisschol und so, das wäre eigentlich eine Insel, die weiter außen und so weiter ist. Nicht irgendwie einfach, jo, hier gehst du raus, fertig. Ist aber noch voll. Kann ich die bei dir kaufen irgendwie? Diese legendären Zutaten? Tatsache. Ist natürlich auch legendär teuer, wohlgemerkt. Andererseits habe ich eh nicht mehr so viele Kämpfe vor mir in diesem Moment. Doch, eigentlich schon. Die Bonus-Dungeon noch und so. Ja, es wird schon ein bisschen was sein. So. Also, Autokochen, Gericht wählen. Eigentlich ist ja Velvet unsere Superköchin. Show-Spezialkey ist anders schlecht. So.
I have no idea how this'll taste. You've been warned.
Alles klar. So. Kann man so schnell mal gucken. Rokuro, gehst du schon mal am richtigen Ort hin? Ich glaube schon. Rokuro, damit das Minion klar muss nach zum Sechsenhafen gehen. Das war ich glaube ein bisschen speziell, weil mit einem habe ich schon gequatscht aus Versehen. Ah ne, der ist noch da, okay. Den muss ich quatschen. Also ich muss hier mit 3 Leuten quatschen, kann man schon mal so viel sagen. Dann sind bereits 2 Ausrufezeichen, sind bereits 2 Personen und der dritte ist hier. Genau, mit den 3 Personen, also sind 3 Personen, mit den 3 quatschen und dann können wir, jo, nächste Folge dann, gucken, wie es weitergeht. Hier mit den Klamotten dann eben für den guten Rokuro, hier bei Tales of Berseria. Was haben wir jetzt? 1, 2, 3, 4, Rokuro fehlt noch, plus Velvet. Und dann sagen die 4 Klamotten haben wir schon, Alternativklamotten halt. Wie dem auch sei. Ja, haben wir. Also, ha. Genau. 4 haben wir, 2 fehlen noch. Die schaffen wir hoffentlich in der nächsten Episode. Bis dahin, ciao zusammen.